Everyone. So we just read the story, Just Grandma and Me. And where were they? On the beach. And in the story, the little boy builds a sandcastle, and the waves come in and wash away his sandcastle. So I have a little song I'd like to sing with you about 5 little sandcastles. So help me count. Here is 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So there's our 5 sandcastles. 5 little sandcastles sitting by the shore. Whoosh went a wave. Ooh. And then there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little sandcastles sitting by the sea. Splash went a wave. Woof. And then there was 1, 2, 3. 3 little sandcastles by the ocean blue. Crash goes a wave. And then there are 1, 2. 2 little sandcastles sitting in the sun. Whoosh goes a wave. Whoosh. And then there was 1. 1. 1 little sandcastle had lots of fun. Shh goes a wave. Shh. And then there was none. No sandcastles. Okay, my friends, I hope you had fun this summer with sandcastles and building them. Bye for now.